Design in the studio. Design.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Well, they got all these our artists, the way that they take package themselves now. When you see Nigerian artists, you go no say this on a music they do. Sure that they go school of dress up, I be how
You don't
that they take.
understand. Now swag now.
No,
Just
swagging
had one or
points.
two things. The thing don't turn swag, man.
Ah.
No,
You know, I don't see this, I don't hear this song very well.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes I don't even, but when would they see you physically now, you can't be like the person with the singer, can't look like quiet boy where they put some
quiet.
ragged twist inside the
I'm
music.
quiet now. I be humble pikin now. You don't understand.
Yeah, right. I beg, tell us about your music. How you take enter into the music industry?
Okay,
and why you enter into the music industry?
To me, music now just life. To me, now everything. You know, I remember back then when we did secondary school, we get one group. Funny, it was me, Harry Song, and some other guys.
Oh.
Wow.
And the name of the group now, Designer Voices. They do gospel music, a cappella, just a knock our chest. They do beats with our mouth, and it was nice, you know. And RMD even managed us for like 1 year then.
Really?
It was it was really nice. Yeah, it was really cool. So after school don't pass, we don't. Everybody can't grow up, mature. It's okay. Maybe we'll go pursue our dream. Maybe we'll just make sure say we achieve everything individually. So that was how we all. Some of us came to Lagos. Some they worry because now worry we all start the race. You know. So that's so the music just started. But for me, I'm an R&B singer who love dancehall music. I love reggae music. Now reggae music I take grow up. You know, so I say, okay, make I just infuse the R&B for inside the reggae, make everything blend. Now put the butter for inside the bread. Now shower.
Voila.
You don't understand.
See the way the thing they said where they said
Don't
well, this
understand.
particular song where you do,
Yeah.
where everybody they feel like this because I know it's getting a lot of radio airplay and people they feel them well. What is the concept? Why? What's it about? You know, you go get something where they did the mind of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
songwriter.
yeah.
So now you write them.
Yes, no. The song self now freestyle, very, very funny.
Are you kidding me? But most of your songs, where una they do, where they blow to that point, now songs that where una
Wey
they
dem
do
no even
freestyle,
plan
Yeah.
where they no plan. Maybe you just hear one beat, you
Once
just jump
beat,
on
you
that.
just jump on the beat now from inside. You know, this song, I just entered studio one afternoon. The producer just delays the beat. I said, nice song. Me and my friends just there, you know. So I said, okay, Mo just put something. Then I said, Paradise. He said, Paradise. What you want to sing? Nah, gospel music. I said, no, no worry. Mo just lays Paradise. As I entered the booth, just, baby girl, I want to take you to Paradise. I said, nice concept. I just freestyle the song starting to end. So now the producer can't come later, I can't cut, arrange them. The next day when I hear the song, I say, wow. I say, this thing nice, we got strop and the guy said, no, wahala, man. Let's go, man. Take it away. So we dropped the song.
Wow.
All right, because
seriously-
today now actually April Fool's
Yeah.
Day, so let's play a little bit. Now,
Okay.
let's say you get Yemi Alade, you get Shay Shay, you get Simi, and you get which other person I go add? No, make I add Cynthia Morgan.
Okay.
Yemi Alade, Shay Shay, Simi, and Cynthia Morgan. Tell us the one where you go kiss, the one where you go date, the one where you go be your friend, and the one where you go just dish.
Okay. You know I had one person join
No,
me.
no, no, stick to my four.
Okay. Come again. Yemi Alade.
Yemi Alade, Simi,
Cynthia Morgan.
Shay Shay, and Cynthia Morgan.
Okay, make I start with Simi. Simi will just be my pally.
That's friend.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
Simi is
yeah,
out of
yeah,
it
you
then.
know.
Oh, her
So-
voice be like,
Oh yeah.
Okay, Cynthia Morgan will be my person, my
I said the one
pally
where you
too.
go date.
You want to go date now? I never okay.
No, you don't already pick pally.
Okay, I don't pick pally.
pick
So I
pally.
get date, kiss, and what again?
and dish.
Dish.
And
Where you
dish.
go
When I
just,
feel just
free her,
Okay,
free me
man.
now.
okay.
Uh-huh.
Now who I won't remain again. So
Cynthia Morgan, Shay Shay, and Yemi
Shay Shay and
Alade.
Yemi Alade.
Okay, man, say I feel just these three people make sense.
Let's go there.
Okay, Mo
Go
just
there,
dish.
man.
Mo just dish. Cynthia Morgan.
Okay.
My
Then Mo
sister.
give kiss to.
Shay Shay and
Shay
Yemi Alade.
Shay, thank you. Then Mo just
You go date Yemi Alade.
You don't
Hey,
understand.
we don't know where
Who
you
don't like better?
friends be.
Just tell me who don't like
We don't
better.
already know your spec
Who
now.
don't like better?
You describe
Who
your
don't like
spec.
better to make we
Hey, but Yemi Alade is a little, I won't call her skinny.
No.
She'll
No,
just
no,
be
no,
like,
no,
she
she-
gets
She
small
just
body,
okay.
thick,
She's
some
just very
level.
okay.
Very
She's
African in
yeah,
her.
she look good.
It don't do it. I was expecting any collab
better.
soon. He say she look good.
She look good. She look good. I will say she dey watch us now.
Hey, because it's, oh my God.
Yeah,
Oh my
you don't
God.
understand.
tell us, are we expecting any collabo soon?
Very soon, don't worry.
With who? Which one very soon? With who?
Okay, I'm dropping one soon with my friend, brother Harrison.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And I'm also looking forward to work with Olamide, so there's two.
Wow, you and Olamide, that would be a weird
I'm wondering.
Dancehall, R&B with streets.
But we'll go put on for the streets.
Mayweather, you go say,
But trust me, the thing go bombo. The thing go be Boko.
We don't need Boko, please.
This I'm going to wait for that kind of collabo.
Everywhere.
But why it can't be like some of you like to sing about girls? What do you? When I don't get any other thing like creation, like butterfly, trees, things we got made like mountain, valley. Why it can't be like saying nah girl? You don't use us qualify everything we got make.
Tomatoes.
Everything. Tomatoes, mango,
all the fruit that woman that would not be
everything. Yes, the truth be said, we'll not be sing about any other thing than woman. If we not sing normal songs, we will sing for peace, or we'll sing for party, made a pop champagne and all that. The next thing a woman, you know, and everybody like me that they praise them. As they praise them, that they feel all right. Like I see there now, so I tell you, man, you are the beauty of life. Because every time you smile, you get me feeling high. Like I want to touch the sky and fly away somewhere beautiful. And I want to take you to paradise. Just to chill.
You want to fly with my weight? No,
crash land.
That
was epic. No, you not go further.
You don't say, I want to move you with my wheelbarrow.
No, please, you're not like that. You know?
But no. I'm Barbie special, but Barbie special, not for this kind of special.
All right, I think that's it for the interview. But if you get Instagram and
they attack this is as I say, design your papa picking. You don't even let us hustle the guy. You just peck the guy. You don't know whether I get designs for him. All right, very interesting interview.
Okay, drop it hand on Instagram, my sister.
Yes, baby, keep up for here.
Okay, so the Instagram handle @IamDesign, and the design is spelled DEZIGN. Yeah. Then Twitter, the same thing @IamDesign. Then Facebook, just Design Collins. You got me everywhere.
All of them girls with nice body. You know,
more and
about
feel
my
the
design.
International design.
Feel them
Respect.
And I see a little bit of Dr. Alban. There's something Albanish about his music. But that one
is sing us out of the studio now, Lolo.
Part 2.
Should this
you won't make it, they tell you, say you won't fly with me, you won't kill the guy. I beg, take break when they come back because design is go bad because it's my birthday month.
Yeah, man. Let's go out there. Have fun.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.